Mullein leaf has long been loved for soothing the lungs and quelling coughs. It is a mild relaxant to the lungs and also a mild demulcent. It soothes inflammation and dryness, often the causes of irritation for people with smoke exposure. I often combine mullein leaves with other demulcents such as mallow, marshmallow, or linden. Mullein is wonderful for coughs and lung inflammation from all kinds of irritants and pathologies, whether it's particulate matter in the air or symptoms from asthma or an upper respiratory infection. Once you experience mullein's ability to soothe the respiratory system, you'll be amazed at the power of this ubiquitous plant. Yet, it's a gentle herb that is safe for children and the elderly. You can work with mullein as a tea, and I'll share my recipe later. And while it sounds a bit counterintuitive, inhaling mullein smoke is a way to directly get mullein's relaxant qualities to the lungs, to relax constrictions and aid in stopping a cough. Like anything, this method can be overdone, but when you get it just right, you can have dramatic and quick results. So, how does mullein work? Well, undoubtedly in many ways. One study published in July of 2021 showed that mullein contained many constituents that modulate inflammation. In the conclusion of the paper, the researchers stated that these could serve as inspiration for the design of improved drugs to treat a wide range of pathologies, including respiratory pathologies, which are of particular interest at this moment in the contents of COVID-19 pandemic. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.